Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Porsche Macan headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx driver and the correct replacement H7 bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll find the access panel for the headlight assembly conveniently located within the wheel well liner. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's get to the bulb. Use your T20 Torx driver to carefully remove the screws holding the wheel well liner in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull back the liner to create enough space to access the rear of the headlight unit. You'll then see the electrical connector. Disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling it straight off. This step provides clear access to the bulb itself. With the electrical connector removed, you can now access the bulb. Twist the bulb housing counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the headlight assembly. Gently pull the old H7 bulb straight out of its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb when inserting it. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it is seated correctly and securely. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb housing, making sure it clicks into place. Then, twist the bulb housing clockwise until it locks securely into the headlight assembly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, push the wheel well liner back into position, reinsert the T20 Torx screws, and test your new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Porsche Macan headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.